Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix your Snapchat messages from not sending. These are very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you go to your Snapchat account and look at your messages, and then you'll see that some of them might not be sending. There's a couple things you can do about this. The first thing you can do is swipe down from the top right of your screen and go ahead and toggle off your Wi-Fi, and then sometimes this may help. Another thing you can do is click on airplane mode on and off. Sometimes this helps as well, just trying to reboot the system in a way. So a lot of times like this stuff happens whenever your internet isn't running the best. So you just want to make sure you have some kind of cellular, which is the little green icon in the top left. And you also want some kind of Wi-Fi. Another thing you could do is clear some room in Snapchat by going to the settings in Snapchat. Click on your Bitmoji, then click on settings. From here, you want to scroll quite a bit, and then you'll see clear cache underneath account actions. You want to go ahead and click it and click clear cache. Sometimes when you do this, it helps the app run a little bit smoother because it's just getting rid of some space that doesn't really need to be there. And yeah, so you can exit out of your app like this, hop back in it, and then check out your messages again, and hopefully they're sending right there. If they're not, you might just have to wait until you get a better connection, maybe closer to the city or wherever you may be. And that's all the methods that I have in this video. So I hope this helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any ideas that you want me to do, and I will see you in the next video.